Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, today I'm discuss very important topic about the Instagram. And guys, who will be first looking for my video, please subscribe our channel. And it will be not for the experienced person and beginner. This will be used for everyone to learn the skills. So everyone, please subscribe our channel to share your like and valuable comment will be each and every video for your after watching this. So everyone maintain for the Instagram account. In the Instagram, the particular Instagram account. So how we'll be using for Instagram followers? So we are using Instagram by using for where in a particular option will be there by using desktop and mobile. But the ads will be visible only for your particular mobile version. How it is? Here we can go for it is option here. So you can see this one here. Everything will be here. Is all your sponsor ad. Here will be showing for learn more, sign up, lot of options are there. You can see here. When you're scrolling time, see this one. When you're showing ad, it will be called sponsored. Here the sponsor will be here. They call download. You can promote your mobile application, everything will be here. First of all, what are the types are there? We can check it out here. In this one, the option will be called business.instagram.com/advertising. Here they will be showing for stories ads and photo ads and video ads and cursor ads. Next will be collection ads. Last one, ads in explore. So in this ad, how will be create? These all ads will be create from Facebook Ads Manager. First of all, your Instagram will be connecting with your Facebook page. The option will be called here settings. In the settings, the option call is Instagram. Your compulsory Facebook page will be connecting for Instagram mandatory field. Once you connect, the ad will be displayed. When your ad will be published on Facebook, automatically showing on the Instagram. When you publish on Instagram, showing on the Facebook also will be there. That is based on the ad display. Now will be start promotion will be here. Here two things I'll tell you. Now I'll take in this option. If you're posting for Instagram, Facebook, one post here. Now look here. That is called business.facebook.com/ your page name. Here we have to share option will be post at a time Facebook page and Instagram. So we can check my last post. This is my last post. I'm done. My post will be using Canva. The option will be called 500 by 500. Here we'll be posting for Facebook feed and Instagram. First you can selecting the photograph here. The photograph will be looking into this and add your content. Add your content. After that, select Instagram. Selecting for any group also. Now share now. I show the two steps. How you can promoting by using desktop, by using for mobile phones. Now you can call for refresh. The post will be done by here. Now click this option. You can check variant. Go to post, share to, embed link, copy link, every option. And click for share to direct, share to Facebook, share to Messenger, share to Twitter, share to via email, copy link. The promotion will be not valid. Coming to the mobile version, here it is in this. What are the posts you done by here? This is a post. Here in the below option will be gave by promote option will be here. Just the photo resolution too low. So clear? It's selecting here. So the photo resolution will be too low. So they're selecting for promote here. So resolution also will be very important to promoting profile, website and direct. Here is option. Just I'm showing for mobile version. After that, click for next. I'm target only for website here. Your traffic I'm selecting for automatic. Click for next. After next, you can target your budget. What are the budget you can? I'm say for daily 200 here. I'm running for minimum in this particular option here. So depend on the budget, add your option will be here. 1000 to 2700 per over the 2 days in this. This estimation reach will be the spending of 400 rupees for 2 days. Click for next. After that, here will be destination, audience, budget duration, payment, customer, and everything will be here. In the payment option, when payment will be added, they started by the budget here. They accept for debit and credit card, Paytm, net banking, UPI, and Facebook ad credits. So previous separate will be there for Instagram account will be here. Now will be linked with your Facebook. Link with your Facebook. So compulsory we have to mobile also will be create three option. The three option will be in this. When you click for promote option here, in this they're showing for profile, your website and your direct message. Profile will be increasing your followers. Profile, I'm clicking here. Next click audience, automatic click. Next same budget, click for next. Just I'm showing here is I'm selecting here. Finally click for create promotion. This all option will be there into mobile. Now coming to the desktop, the option will be called facebook.com/manage. In this, go to ads manager. So what are the previous ads are running here? Just to hold on, create new ad. In this, the ad will be here: brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app install, video views, lead generation, message, conversion, catalog sale, story traffic, everything. I'm giving the brand awareness. After that, is asking for any kind of budget. No need to select any kind of budget here. Click for continue. So we're looking for traffic, selecting the traffic option. But I'm giving the my brand awareness. People know about my brand. Continue. After the continue, we have selecting for campaign name. Set up your particular budget here. So everything only for campaign name will be start. Is a brand awareness. Everything is there. Next for option. Previous I'm showing for mobile option. Now I'm showing for desktop. Here this is very important. Daily budget, how much? I'm give daily budget only for minimum starting for 80 rupees. The 74 you have to start here. But it will be coming to 75. Minimum balance you can start. Here reach will be 5,000 to 15,000. The budget of will be in this option will be here. So here there is a 75 rupees start date. I'm not give any end date. The reach will be 5,000 to 15,000. But in a Facebook ad time, so compulsory this ad will be compulsory. Middle is important. Here selecting for location. My target will be India is done. Age will be up to we can targeting for 40 years. Gender all, demography, language all language, placement, automated manual. Placement nothing but where you can visible your ad, Facebook, Instagram, all network and messenger. Coming to the placements here, here is the options are here. Show more options. Here is the all things here. This will be option. So select the automated placement. Everything will be here. India. I'm selecting Hyderabad. Specific kilometers. The give arrow will be here. What are the place? So I'm selecting here places. Then arrow will come into middle. Click for next. Here will be selecting page, automatic two page, Facebook and Instagram. Both are will be selected here. Facebook page and a particular Instagram page. Single email video. Here our instant experience, instant the playback. So remove the old media, add the new media, all image. So image will be compulsory. We have to follow the instructions. We can check. The image will be getting for apostrophe mark. It will be 600 by 600 the minimum. So I can design image will be here 600 by 600. Image or design just for download it. So image will be not having any apostrophe mark. We continue. Select it. Click for next. They give the all options are here in this add purpose. Square, vertical and horizontal. Done. Here is the option. Add the website URL. Get short time, learn more, send message, request time, see more, short time, sign up and here. But I'm clicking for subscribe. Now I am promoting for which one? My ad will be here in this option. So yeah, everything will be here in this. Add your language. What language you can add? You can add by the language will be here. But I'm not adding any language. Finally, click for publish. You're going to publish your ad on the particular option. This ad will be visible by the two things. One is called Facebook, second will Instagram. The common image will be 600 by 600 to use the particular image for ad showing to the customer, Facebook and Instagram purpose. Now we'll be going to the publisher option will be there to where in the occurring for your account. The ad will be created will be successful be and publish your option. After that close, it will come into in draft. After few seconds, it will go into review option. Once review will be done, you can add your particular payment. It's showing for account error. Why it is showing account error? You can go to here. The option will be called billing. Add your payment procedure. The payment will be zero. The showing for account will be error. Account will be error. So I'm adding for budget will be here. The minimum budget I'm starting for 500. So I can add by the 500. So they can using for debit or credit card, Paytm, net banking, UPI and Facebook add credits. In this I'm adding for option will be called Paytm. Now you can add the procedure. Payment procedure will be done. You're adding for your amount. Now it is. Go to this option, Ads Manager. Previously showing for account error. Now they are showing for account error. It will be in review option. Once review will be successfully done, the ad will be run continuously for the up to the account will be start your ads. So this is a way we increase the followers on Instagram by using Facebook Ads Manager, Instagram Desktop. But if Facebook or Instagram in running ads, the compulsory using option will be called Facebook Ads Manager to add your amount. The using will be net banking, credit card, debit card. You can using Paytm wallet and Facebook ad coupons. Use it and increase your followers based on your ads. They give the subscribe option, learn more. They're getting ads to the Facebook and Instagram. People will be follow your page and increase your YouTube subscribers and YouTube views and likes and shares. This is the way we increase our Instagram followers by creating for ads, Instagram app and Facebook Ads Manager option. If you further any doubt, please ask me on the channel, Digital Rakesh. I definitely will be support any kind of questions. If any beginners, please subscribe our channel and ask your questions. We'll make the video upload by our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.